Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make your computer blazing fast. To do this, first you need to install a good antivirus software. There are several antivirus softwares available in market which are free of course. You can download them from the websites, but I prefer Avira because it does not make your system slow and the detection rate is really good. You can always install Avira free antivirus by downloading through the Avira website. The link is given in the description below. Now I'm going to show you how to install Avira free antivirus. Double click on the installation file, click on next button, choose the desired language and wait for the download to happen. So as the downloading is in progress, I would like to tell you about another great anti-malware software, that is MCSoft Emergency Kit. The link is given below in the description to download it. I will show you how to use it. To use it, double click on MCSoft Emergency Kit, click on Emergency Kit Scanner. Wait for loading the signatures. And this is the interface of MCSoft Emergency Kit. To scan the PC, click on Scan PC. Check mark the desired option which you want to do, rather it is a quick scan, a smart scan, a deep scan or a custom scan. To enable custom scan, click on custom scan option and click on scan button. Choose the desired folder by clicking on add folder and select the folder, click OK. Check mark the scan for active rootkits, scan memory for active malware, scan for spyware traces and scan for tracking cookies. Click on next button and wait till the scan ends. If you choose a deep scan or a custom scan option selecting your drives, it will take an hour or so. So after the scan, all the results will be populated and you will be getting an option to delete those viruses. Currently I am stopping the scan so I can make you aware of another utility. Another good optimizing software is Advanced System Care 6. To use it, double click on the icon and an interface will be shown. Check mark the following options. If you have time, you can check mark disk scan, disk defragment and also registry defrag. But remember, this will take a lot of time, approximately an hour or so. So presently I am just unchecking this and we can perform a scan. After the scan is complete, the list of encountered problem will be displayed. So now as you can see, the list of problems have been displayed. You can click on repair option to repair the errors. Click on back button and click on toolbox. Here there are several utilities which you can use to enhance the speed of your computer. For example, IOBIT uninstaller can be used to uninstall complex softwares. IOBIT malware fighter can be used as an anti-malware tool. Registry cleaner can be used to clean the registry. Disk cleaner can be used to clean the disk. File shredder can be used to delete unwanted files permanently. So there are several other utilities which you can use to enhance the speed of your system. Go check it out yourself. So now you can see that the installation menu has been displayed. Click on custom option, accept license agreement, click on next button. Click on next button again. Disable the web protection if you do not want to install. I personally do not want it. Click on next button, create a desktop icon, create a program group in start menu and click on next button. Wait for the installation to take place. Uncheck if you do not want to install them and click decline. Click on next button. Activate ahead heuristics. I would choose a medium detection level. Click on next button. Select all the application, adware, spyware, double extension file, fraudulent software and click on next button. Choose a normal start. I would not like to have a quick custom scan after the installation, so click on next button and click on finish. Double click on the Avira Control Center icon to display the menu. Here you can click fix problem to update your software. I'm closing this so you can select on your own. To increase the startup and shutdown time of your system, click on Start button, type msconfig in the search box, press enter. A menu will be displayed. Click on Boot, select Advanced option, choose maximum number of processes available on your system. Click OK, go to Startup and uncheck unwanted applications that you do not want to load in the startup. Example, I do not want Guys Tires update, Microsoft Office update, Advanced System Care, Adobe Reader, and click Apply, OK. In some computers, there is an option to select Exit without restart and exit by clicking a restart. You choose whatever you want and click OK. Another important task will be to keep your system updated. You can visit Intel website. To do that, click on Google Chrome or whichever browser you are using. Enter intel.in if you are from India, or you can choose intel.com. And do the following. So you can see that I have a new driver available for wireless networking. I can scroll down and I can download it. After downloading, install the driver. It is very essential to keep your system updated to the latest drivers so it can perform exceedingly well. Another important trick is used to disable the Windows features. Click on Start menu, click on My Computers, click on Uninstall or Change Programs, click on Turn Windows features on or off, and the list will be displayed. Wait for the list to populate, and you can uncheck the games, as you know who will play the Chess Titans, Free Cell and all where you have latest graphics games available. Go down, further down, and uncheck XPS Viewer, XPS Services, Windows Gadget Platform if you do not want the clock and other gadgets to be displayed, tablet PC components as you will not be using on the desktop. After this, click on OK button and wait for a while till the changes have been implemented. And click on Restart Now. So after restarting the system, right click on My Computer, click on Properties, click on Advanced System Settings. In the Advanced tab under Performance, click Settings and uncheck the following, that is animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, animations in the taskbar and start menu, fade or slide menus into view, tooltips, and show translucent selection, rectangle, etc. These effects have been provided for very high resource CPUs or desktops or very good configuration laptops. If you have very low configuration netbook or any other laptop, it is better to uncheck the following because it will save the time during transition between windows. Click on OK, click OK again and close. So this is the final tool which I would like to bring to your notice is Smart Defrag tool. This is a defragmentation tool and which has been recently launched by IOBIT. So what you have to do is check mark the drives which you want to defragment and click defrag and fully optimize. Now this tool will scan your system for fragmented files and defrag them automatically, thereby improving the system performance. So finally, concluding the session, I would like to advise you all that try to defrag your hard drive once in a week at least, so that the system remains smooth, and regularly scan your system for viruses or scan when a pen drive is inserted, and Take care of your laptops and PCs so it will increase your shelf life of your system. And I would like to tell you again that some of you might feel that during the start of the tutorials I had told that I'm installing both Avira as well as MCSoft Emergency Kit. So some might feel that how two antiviruses can work together. I would like to tell you all that the MCSoft Emergency Kit is a portable antivirus. It does not have to be installed. You can carry it on your pen drive and you can update whenever you want. So both the antivirus and the anti-malware will work without conflict. And if there is a good net bandwidth, you can update your Windows and take care of your system. It will give a very long shelf life. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.